Hi Ray, I've just got a problem with social warfare. So I'm on the Flinders Rangers page at the moment. It could be any page. So the images here are missing. So if I go in to find the social warfare image for Flinders Rangers, which is there, and then I update the page, you'll see in a second that it doesn't load in, and I've cleared Cloudflare, Browser Cache, Cyclone Cache, and can't get it to come up. I actually did get it to work this morning by clearing cache. I managed to get it to show up, but I can't get it to show up now. So I've got a number of these images to put in. So that's something to have a look at. So yeah, if you can have a look at that, that'd be great. All right, thanks, Ray. Cheers.